So now we've got all the parts stripped down, all the panels are off, so I'm going to lay out all the bits that I've got ready to be rubbed down. This is the number plate on the rear hatch, and I'm liking this because obviously we all know that our Elgrands are fabulous. So these are all the parts laid out ready to be rubbed down. So now I'm going to move them all out of the way and concentrate on the body. You can see behind I've got my little tub of water, and we're going to wet and dry them, and I'm going to use 600 grit wet and dry. So using the 600 wet and dry, we dip it in the water, and I will make sure that we dip it frequently in the water, otherwise it gets clogged from all the dust as you rub it down, rub the paintwork off. So I'm going to speed this up now because you don't want to watch me rubbing down for ages. So now we've finished the body, and we're going to start on all of the other panels, and again I've speeded up so that you can see it happen quickly. You don't want to be hanging around for ages watching this. So nearly finished sanding them all down now, wiped them in the water, and now I'm going to dry them all off with a piece of toilet roll, make sure we get all the water off, and then I'll hit them with a hairdryer and they'll be nice and dry, ready for spraying. So that's the end of this episode, and next time you'll be seeing me spraying them, and they'll be sprayed the colour that I'm actually going to match with my boat. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, that would be great. And also you can subscribe to my channel, there are lots of other videos to watch, and hit the notification bell, and that way you'll know whenever I've released another video. Thank you.